Uy! Announcement guys! Another verse, another day. Ang sabi ng Isaiah chapter 60 verse 22, when the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen. Nalulungkot ka ba kasi yung pinapanalangin mo ay hindi pa nangyayari? Or nasasaktan ka kasi yung dinidesire mo ay hindi pa nagaganap or hindi mo pa nakukuha? Well, itong verse na ito ay para sa'yo. The Lord is making you and giving you an assurance that it will surely happen in your life. You just have to trust Him. Trust His process. He is already making a way in a ways that we cannot see. Kaya kapatid, magtiwala ka, magaganap ito sa takdang panahon ng ating Panginoon. Iba ang panahon ng Diyos, iba rin naman yung gusto nating panahon. Pero it is true and it is 100% true. Magaganap, mangyayari at matutupad yan sa iyong buhay because ang Diyos mismo ang nangako, siya mismo ang nagsabi that it will surely happen in your life when the time is right. Okay? Kaya wag ka nang malungkot, wag ka nang masaktan. Okay? Done deal? Done deal.